Let's take a look at these three examples. This time we're supposed to find the derivatives of constants, okay? So in other words, I have to find dy over dx. Because my function doesn't have x, so 3 is nothing else, just a constant, okay? This is my constant, that's why I'm going to use the formula for the derivative of a constant, okay, which is equal 0. Okay, this is the formula which is telling me that the derivative of a constant is equal 0. So I don't supposed to think too long, just simply write that derivative of 3 over dx is equal 0. And this is the solution to my problem. If you are going to look at next example, I have y is equal a to the fifth, where a is constant. Constant raised to the fifth power is still constant. That's why I'm going to write that dy over dx is equal the derivative of a to the fifth power over dx is equal 0. Okay? So one more time, the derivative of the constant is equal 0. So if you are going to look at the third example, I have to find the derivative of 2 pi. Pi is the constant, okay? Multiplied by 2 is still constant. So if you want to find the derivative of my function with respect to x, okay, so I'm going to plug this into the formula. So I have d of my constant over dx. Basically what I did, I just used this formula, and this is equal 0. Okay, and this is the solution to my problem.